Hello everybody, Robert Plant here. This will be a visual demonstration of the Detex alarm system. Yeah, this is going to be for the Dunkin Donuts side of the building. Not Chester's, that'll come later. Put the key in and turn it to off.
Off? Yeah.
Now turn it to the left or on for at least 3 seconds.
Now turn it on, hold it.
1, 2, 3.
Now turn it to the middle position and take the key out.
Take it out.
Wait for up to 15 seconds for the alarm to chirp 3 times. Yeah, that's right, not 4 though.
Take it out.
Shortcut away, right?
Alarm is now activated. Open the door, silly. She tried to open the wrong side. Oh, boy, that scared the heck out of me. Did my cousin try to break in again?